Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tall Hampers is probably one of the most overlooked essentials in a well-organized home, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your space tidy and your laundry routine smooth. From compact apartments to spacious family homes, the right tall hamper can make a world of difference, offering both practicality and a touch of style to your laundry area. In this video, we'll explore the top picks. Number 5. BIRDROCK Home Double Laundry Hamper. This hamper makes sorting laundry a breeze. It features removable bags, perfect for separating your clothes. It's ideal for separating darks and lights or his and hers. Keep your dirty laundry out of sight and out of mind. The lid helps contain odors, keeping your bedroom or bathroom smelling fresh. This feature provides a neat and clean appearance. Built to last, this hamper is made from high-quality polyester linen. It's sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to move around your home. It is designed for regular use. Need space for a lot of laundry? This hamper has a generous capacity, holding up to 4 loads. It's perfect for families or those with heavy laundry needs. Setting up this laundry hamper is quick and simple. It comes with clear instructions for easy assembly. It's a convenient and stylish solution for organizing your laundry. What we like? This hamper features removable bags, making sorting a breeze. It also has a lid to hide your dirty laundry and keep odors contained. If you have a busy household and want to keep your space tidy, this is a great choice. What people say? Nice size and durable. Perfect solution for sorting recycling. I have 2 types of recycling and this makes it easy to sort items. Lots of room and love the bags that come with it, much easy taking the bags of laundry to the washing machine than dragging a heavy basket. Number 4. LONBET Laundry Basket with Lid, 26 gallons, gray. This laundry hamper blends the strength of bamboo with the refined touch of fabric. It's a contemporary piece that enhances any room's elegance with a timeless allure. The storage bin with a lid is designed to be both light and elegant. It's suitable for any space, like a bedroom or bathroom. Its lightweight design ensures easy mobility, while the lid keeps the laundry discreetly concealed. This versatile laundry basket is ingeniously designed for seamless organization. It's perfect for sorting daily essentials or personal belongings. The design adapts to your various storage needs with style and simplicity. With a generous 26-gallon capacity, it can handle a large load. It ensures practicality and adaptability to your storage needs. You'll experience the perfect blend of spaciousness and convenience. Featuring a removable and washable inner bag, this hamper makes laundry day easier. You can effortlessly take out your clothes, and the washable bag helps keep the hamper clean and hygienic. What we like? This laundry basket combines bamboo and fabric for a stylish look. It's designed to be both light and elegant, fitting well in any room. If you are looking for a laundry solution that blends seamlessly with your home decor, you should consider this. What people say? It has held up wonderfully. If I let a side fill up all the way, I can easily divide it into 2 loads or 1 giant load. Love how there was 2 hampers to separate clothes. Sturdy, easy to carry, much better than an open laundry basket. Number 3. VASAGLE UBLH201B01 Laundry Sorter. This laundry sorter features 2 compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. It allows you to easily separate your laundry, keeping lights and darks apart for efficient washing. The integrated shelf offers extra space for your laundry essentials. The slatted design ensures good ventilation, helping to keep your laundry fresh and odor-free. Each liner has a plastic bottom and is easily removable. The hook and loop fasteners make it simple to detach the liners, so you can carry them directly to the washing machine. Built with a robust steel frame and MDF panel, this sorter is designed for stability. The water-repellent Oxford fabric liners and adjustable feet add to its durability. This laundry sorter fits perfectly in any room. Whether it's your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, it will blend seamlessly with your existing decor. Remember to wipe the shelf dry if it gets wet. What we like? This hamper offers a 2-compartment design, perfect for sorting your laundry. It also includes a shelf for extra storage. If you like to keep your laundry organized and need extra space for supplies, this is a great option. What people say? Each of the 3 sturdy cloth bags attaches to its own rectangular metal support via heavy-duty Velcro, and each support slides out fully to serve as handles for carrying the bag to the washer. It seems a lot of thought was put into making this item practical and durable at a low price point, and it even looks good, certainly a lot nicer than the open plastic baskets I was using. Increased storage and it keeps things separate. Number 2. SNIGJAT 80L Collapsible Laundry Hamper. This hamper is designed to handle a lot. It can hold up to 2 loads of laundry, making it perfect for families. It's a must-have for keeping your home organized and reducing those frequent trips to the laundry room. Forget flimsy hampers. This one has a strong frame that stays upright, making it easy to fill. It's made from durable, easy-to-clean fabric. You can simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. It's perfect for small spaces. This laundry basket folds flat for easy storage in a closet or under the bed. It's a great solution for keeping your space tidy, whether you're at home or traveling. Carrying laundry is now easier. The reinforced nylon handles make it simple to transport, even with heavy loads. It's great for stairs or trips to the laundromat, making your life a little easier. It's more than just a laundry hamper. You can use it to store toys, linens, or other household items. It's a stylish and practical addition to any room, helping you keep everything organized. What we like. This laundry basket has sturdy handles and a large capacity, perfect for family loads. It's also collapsible for easy storage. If you are looking for a space-saving solution that can handle a lot of laundry, you should consider this. What people say. It's large enough to hold plenty of clothes and perfect for keeping my bedroom tidy. The tall design and sturdy handles make it easy to carry, even when full. It holds quite a few items, making it perfect for handling all the laundry from the week. Number 1. 90L Black Laundry Hamper. This laundry hamper features sturdy aluminum handles with soft foam for a comfortable grip. It's lightweight, so you can easily carry it, even when it's full of clothes. Take it from the basket to your bedroom, bathroom, or laundry room with ease. With a 90L capacity, this hamper is larger than most. It can easily hold laundry for 3 to 5 family members. It's perfect for dirty clothes, towels, and more. There are 3 sizes to choose from to meet all your needs. This hamper stands up on its own, requiring no assembly. Simply stretch it out, and it's ready to use. When not in use, it folds up to save space and keep your home tidy. Made with double-layer fabric and a waterproof PE coating, this hamper keeps odors and moisture away. To clean it, simply wipe it down with a wet towel. Please note that it is not washer or dryer safe. This spacious, collapsible laundry basket is an attractive storage solution. It's ideal for dorm rooms, apartments, and bedrooms. Use it to store clothes, books, or anything else you need to organize. What we like. This laundry hamper has easy carry handles and a large capacity. It's also waterproof to protect your clothes. If you like a durable and easy to carry hamper, this is a great choice for you. What people say. It stands up on its own and is extremely durable. The fabric is not thin at all and actually has a slick layer inside. The handles have a squishy foam to make carrying more comfortable, and the handles are riveted in place so they shouldn't slip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.